Welcome to Fire Fridays. Tom LeVay, firefighter paramedic, City of Madison Heights. We had a lot of questions on December's video about the tower and what it does and what it responds to. So for this Fire Fridays, we're going to do the tower. The Tower 71 here is a 95-foot aerial that responds to commercial fire alarms, commercial structure fires, high-rise fire alarms, and high-rise fires. It also responds to any of our rope rescues because it has rope rescue equipment on there for the tech team. So, on this side. Basically the driver's side, it's got our computer system, all your lights. It is an older truck, so it's a 1997. It's got a room in the back for 2 firefighters. Each seat has 1 air pack in it. It's got a 1,500 gallon minute pump, which pretty much means it can put 1,500 gallons out a minute. There's a lot of water. Each compartment has a specific thing. It's the engineer's compartment. He's just got multiple adapters, everything they would need to run the truck. So Tower 71 is what we call a jump truck. It's the crew from Rescue 71 on the other side. When a fire alarm or anything that comes in the tower is required, they run over, they take their gear, and they jump on this truck and take it. Hand tools. We have spare SCBA bottle holders in here for the air packs. We do have hose on here. It does have two pre-connect attack lines above the pump and then one in the front bumper panel, or front bumper, along with there is hose up in the bucket for roof attacks if needed. We do carry vent saws, which is basically a chainsaw with a guard on it for roof operations. This truck is going to be all your roof operations, so anytime you see it, most likely somebody's going on a roof. Since we are an EMS department, it just has basic first aid equipment on it in case it's out in the road and they can take a call. This is where the engineer's gear is. It's where he'll put his air pack and his gear. We do have breathing. There's breathing air bottles on the side, so we can actually connect into the tower up top. This is an assortment of ladders and pike poles and everything like that. We do have the waterway. So this, you take a large supply diameter hose, you can hook to that, run it to your engine, and you can actually flow water out through the top. This is where we keep our positive pressure fan. Basically, if there's smoke in the building, we can put that by the front door and it'll blow all the smoke out of the building or whatever we need to do with it. We have what we call ladder belts. So when we go up, we have to wear a belt. We can click in. It's got carabiners on there, so we can actually click into the ladders to maintain our safety and our group, make sure we have our 3 points of contact. We have Stokes baskets, cradle, which is in that blue bag. It's basically a stretcher that we can put on the bucket in case we need to help somebody get down. And as I said before, we have a lot of our rope rescue on this truck. So we are part of the Oakway Technical Rescue Team. So it's all rope rescue, and then this one is our harnesses for anything we need them for, and then we have our high-rise bundle pack. So when I say with a high-rise fire, we grab this, which is our supply line. We hook it up to the standpipe. Then we have our bundle that we grab and take up with us to the fire floor so we can actually put out the fire. More of the tech rescue, the rope stuff. Here's our actual ropes. And then this right here. This is our mainline bag, which has all our appliances, webbing, carabiners, everything we need in there. Put that away in a minute. Just miscellaneous tools. As for the other side of the pump panel, pretty basic for what it is. We do have more electrical up there, cord reel. Basically, if we need to take lights anywhere, we can take them off. Our lights in the side of the truck there, those little spotlights, those all come off and they have plugs so we can take them off. Side, same as the driver's side. And this is where the officer sits. So he has this computer system and he can actually do our runs on there. When we get a run, it'll pop up on the computer. And like, I'm about to hear something. Maybe not. Hope that'd be me. Well, you can hear it. That was Fire Fridays.